Basque automotive industry, one of the most competitive and innovative in the world, has its origins in a long industrial, financial and commercial tradition that runs from the 19th century to the present day. Cutting-edge management levels in the region's industry make it highly efficient and effective. Its 300 companies produce an overall turnover of 12 billion euros, employing 75,000 people the world over. Mercedes-Benz Victoria, which has a production capacity of 100,000 plus vehicles a year and employs more than 3,000 people, adds some solid weight to the industry in the region. One of the company's current major initiatives is to develop and manufacture the first mass-produced electric traction van, the Vito e-Cell. Today, the industry has 200 factories outside Spain, mostly in emerging markets like Eastern Europe, Brazil, Mexico and China. These international business interests enable the region's industry to accompany its vehicle manufacturer or Tier 1 supplier customers as they go global, offering maximum guarantees of professionalism and acting as their strategic allies in the initial phases of major world projects. The Basque Country is also home to more than 30 automotive multinationals, with major centres of competence contributing value to the industry here and to their parent organisations. We call the industry integral because in a relatively small area it has the entire value chain available, with everything from steel workers, capital goods manufacturers and machine tool producers to die and mould makers and machining suppliers, not forgetting universities, research centres, consultants, engineering firms and the like. Some 5,000 academics at 4 prestigious universities cater to the needs of more than 65,000 students. It also has a major network of vocational training centres with more than 25,000 students. These centres are at the forefront of teaching in terms of contents, resources and management. A major feature is the AIC, Automotive Intelligence Centre, conceived as a unique value-generating centre facilitating cooperation within the industry in areas like knowledge, training, technology and industrial development. Furthermore, the Basque automotive industry works on all vehicle functions: drivetrain, 68%, powertrain, 47%, structural and bodywork elements, 42%, interior parts, 13%, exterior parts, 13%, electronics, 9%, and wheel hubs and rims, 3%. Although the regional industry makes a wide range of products, it tends to concentrate on modules like suspension, internal combustion engine, transmission, brakes and steering, seats, passive safety systems, instrument panel, exhaust systems, air feed, interior embellishments, pedals, opening and locking features, lighting and indicators. Machining, carried out by 65% of the companies in the industry, is the main manufacturing process, followed by injection, cold stamping, bending, hot forging and casting. Firms in the industry prefer to use mechanical joints, followed by fusion welding and friction welding. 46% of businesses in the industry use some kind of surface finish processes on their products, with 33% using heat treatments. Ferrous materials are most frequently employed, although lighter materials like aluminium, thermoplastics and thermosetting polymers and elastomers are all becoming more common. Absolutely all Basque companies have certifications awarded for their systems. The most frequent certificate being ISO TS 16949, held by 90% of them. A high percentage also have environmental and safety in the workplace certifications. 70% of the businesses in the industry have an R&D unit, with an average 5% of turnover being ploughed back into the development of new high-value added products and processes. The mission of the Basque Automotive Cluster Association, Acicae, is to stimulate the Basque automotive industry by facilitating business-to-business cooperation that will enable them to give a joint response to the major challenges facing the sector as a whole. The Basque automotive sector, an integral industry.